Limacons are of the form r equals a plus b cosine theta, or r equals a plus b sine theta. In the special case where a is equal to b, it's known as a cardioid, or heart-shaped. When we look at r equals 1 minus sine theta, remember that the pattern for sine is 0, 1, 0, negative 1. So in the eastward, theta equals 0 direction, I'm at 1 minus 0, which is 1. In the northward, theta equals pi over 2 direction, I'm at 1 minus 1, which is 0. In the theta equals pi direction, I'm at 1 minus 0, which is 1. And in the theta equals 3 pi over 2 direction, the southward direction, I'm at 1 minus a negative 1, which is going to be a negative 2. So I'm going to pass through these 4 points. Now, these points do fall on a line, but the essence of polar graphing is that the graph occurs as you're rotating about the pole. And so I have to get from r equals 1 to r equals 0, and it will have to be through a curving route, perhaps something like that. From r equals 0, I extend out to r equals 1, out further to r equals 2, return to r equals 1. And this will be a cardioid, or heart-shaped graph. If I let r equals 3 plus 3 cosine theta, the graph will look similar, though the orientation will change. Remember that cosine, the pattern is 1, 0, negative 1, 0. So in this direction, I'm at 3 plus 3 times 1. That would be 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the northward direction, I'm at 3 plus 3 times 0. That would be 3. In the westward direction, I'm at 3 plus 3 times negative 1. That would be 0. And in the southward direction, I'm at 3 plus 3 times 0. That would be forwards 3 again. Once again, I have to sweep through these points. So to do it, I will rise, pass through, hit the pole, turn positive again, and finish my loop. It's another heart-shaped graph. All I've done is I've changed the orientation. While it's 3 times larger than this graph, I tend to try to give an idea of scale through my tick marks, or if you'd like, you can label some of these points. For example, this point would be the point 2, comma, 3 pi over 2, and this point, the farthest point from the pole, would be the point 6, comma, 0. 0 standing for the angle.